Hi curl friends, I'm Naturally Shanice, your favorite curl friend and mom bestie, guiding you through your natural and healthy hair journey and your best mom life. Today I am going to be testing out Creme of Nature's Clay and Charcoal collection. I have 3 products that I'm actually going to be trying out for the first time, so you get to see like my real reactions to something. I typically don't like doing this, but I thought that this would be a fun little video. I really like testing out products, a month or 2 before I share them with you. But today, like I said, I'm going to try something new, and you're going to see my honest first reactions to Creme of Nature's Clay and Charcoal. Because I want to revive my wash day routine, I really like the idea of this Clay and Charcoal collection because it's here to purify your hair and detoxify your hair, which for me is really important for summer because we're in the sun all the time. I'm in the pool all the time. I'm at the beach. I'm like doing things. So I feel like summertime is the time where my hair receives like the most damage, because it's out all the time. We're like in winter, I'm wearing a lot of wraps. I'm like wearing hats with a silk lining. I'm twisting up. I'm doing protective styles. But in the summertime, that's when I allow my hair to be more free. So what that means is that, more dirt, impurities, the weather, the chlorine from the pool, the beach water can really take a toll on our hair. So I'm interested to see what these wash products have to offer here. The 3 products that we're going to be using today to wash my hair are the Pre-Poo Detoxifying Clay Mask and the Moisture and Replenish Shampoo and Conditioner. Product claims that this collection detoxifies by removing buildup, softens and revitalizes all hair types, instantly leaving hair soft to touch and easy to style. So today, this is what we're gonna be testing, and I'm excited about it. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. I'm starting off with the Pre-Shampoo Detoxifying Clay Mask. You can see that the consistency of the mask is very, very similar to that of a face mask that you would put on your face. It's thick, it's black, it's a charcoal-based clay mask, and it gets everywhere. So I start off by applying the mask to the roots of my hair all the way down to the tips. Make sure that you concentrate on the tips. Notice here I'm really rubbing in all of the product on the ends of my hair because that's the oldest part of your hair that needs the most TLC. Okay, here is the final product with the entire clay mask applied to my hair. The next step is going to be to put a plastic cap on your hair and let the mask sit in for 10 minutes. Woo! You guys, whoa! I didn't even comb through this. This is the advantage of a pre-poo. I didn't even detangle my hair when applying. I literally just applied. Oh my gosh. And I just started to comb through the hair. Whoa. Now that the mask has had 10 minutes to really penetrate my hair, I'm going to go through and detangle my hair. Again, for detangling, you always start at the tips of your hair and work your way down to the roots. You can see here that I'm really able to easily detangle thanks to the mask. Here is all the hair that I had left after detangling. The next step is the Soften and Moisture Replenish Shampoo. I really like this shampoo. The texture of it is different than the clay mask in the sense that it's a true shampoo. You're going to get tons of suds with this, and I'm really surprised, especially since it is a sulfate-free shampoo. You get tons of suds with this. One thing that's great about this shampoo is that you're able to detangle your hair, and I believe that that's really from the Pre-Poo. So my first impressions after this shampoo. is this: does it live up to its claims? So it says that it gently cleanses without stripping hair of natural moisture. It conditions, controls frizz, and restores moisture. So I can say from my first impressions, just using it from what you saw, yes, it does meet the claims, especially relating to gently cleansing without stripping hair of its natural moisture. My hair right now is super soft, you guys, no stripping. So you know your hair has been stripped when you like feel it and it feels like, I don't know how to, it's like, you can't really like put your fingers through it. It feels like dry and brittle. My hair doesn't feel like that at all after using this shampoo. I can gently put my fingers through it. It also removes some of my frizz. I almost have no frizz with really defined curls. I'm excited about this.
The third and final step is to use the Soften and Moisture Replenish Conditioner. The texture of this is very similar to the Pre-Poo Clay Mask, but it's a little lighter. This is once again infused with charcoal and aloe vera juice. And as you can see, you apply it as you would with any type of conditioner, starting from your roots and working your way up to the tips. You're also going to leave this onto your hair for another 5 minutes with a plastic cap. You can steam or sit under the dryer.
Out the conditioner. Let's see if it does what it says it does. All right, so on the back, the intended purpose of the Soften, Moisture, and Replenish Conditioner. Here it is. Again, made with those 3 key ingredients: activated charcoal, Rhaasoul and Bentonite Clay, and aloe vera juice. So on the back, the claim is it restores moisture and softens, controls frizz, enhances curl definition, and enhances natural shine. So what I've done here is you can see the results. Ooh. First things first. Yes, the shine is popping. I'm not gonna lie about that. My hair is super, super shiny. Curls are defined. So if you guys look in the middle of my hair right here, this is the struggle area. I actually don't have a lot of curl definition throughout here. So my appended hair throughout here is actually a little bit more looser and it's frizzier. But you can see that that frizz is actually, for me, this is decreased, okay? So yes, my hair is soft. Moisture is replenished. My hair is really soft, you guys. It is super, it is. I'm not gonna lie about that. It's super soft. My edges are soft and laid, even through here. You can see that the curl is defined. All throughout here, underneath, defined. Okay, let's check out the back. The back, these hairs are growing, they're short, but it's so soft, less frizz. And even out throughout here, underneath here. Again, edges are soft. Look at that curl back there. That's good. That's really good. Let's get into some final thoughts about these goodies here. Final thoughts. So one thing that stuck out to me is smell. I am very sensitive to smells, and while the product doesn't smell bad, for me, the smell reminds me of a man. It's very like musky. Does that make sense? Like I just prefer smells that are citrusy and fresh. That's, to me, this is not the smell of this product. It smells like a men's cologne for me. So that was a downside, if I'm being honest. I have to be honest, otherwise you guys won't believe what I say. So yes, the smell for me wasn't like mind-blowing. It smells like a man to me. That's just me though. All right, so the claims to detoxify the hair. Yes, my hair is really, it did exactly what it's supposed to do. My hair is super clean. Does it control frizz? Absolutely. I have no product on my hair. This again is the struggle area for your girl. Okay, but frizz is at a minimum here, and I don't have any product in my hair right now, so this is actually super good. Second up, does it remove Buildup, yes, it does. My tub was filled with dirt, okay? Filled with dirt. Ooh, another downside, just from my first reactions of this, is that this is definitely a clay. Does that make sense? So sometimes when you hear the word mask, it's a cream-based mask, but this mask for the Pre-Poo is very similar to a mask that you put on your face that has charcoal in it. Does that make sense? So it gets everywhere. For me, that's a downside to it, even though it does exactly what it is supposed to do, right? So yeah, it gets everywhere. You can't really touch things because it's black and it is a charcoal-based mask. So yes, it gets everywhere. That's just the downside. Even in the tub, it was kind of everywhere. So now I'm gonna have to go clean out the tub. Let's see, what are my other thoughts here? I think it does exactly what it's supposed to do, you guys. I can't say enough good things about that Pre-Poo. Did you see the amount of hair that I did not like tear out or lose from detangling? And then the shampoo. Another cool thing about the shampoo is that I try to show you that you can actually finger detangle your hair with using that shampoo. That's really important because sometimes shampoos, because they're stripping so much of our hair, you actually can't even detangle your hair while you shampoo. That's a quick test for me to test out if the product is if the product is adding moisture to my hair instead of stripping it. And the shampoo definitely does that. You can detangle your hair so easily with it. And I also think that the reason why I was able to detangle my hair easily when shampooing is because I did the Pre-Poo Clay Mask. So that's just another advantage to pre-pooing, is the detangling process throughout your wash. Throughout your wash is going to be so much more simpler. And the conditioner here, I use the conditioner, a basic conditioner as is said to apply to your hair and leave on for 5 minutes. And again, it met all the requirements that it said on the bottom.